reality, I want to be like Sleeping Beauty. That girl got to sleep for 100 years. And then she woke to a kiss. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Are you constantly tired, broke, hungry? Have you ever planned to disappear into the forest, never to return? Are you questioning your life decisions that have led you to sit here for 4 hours on a Saturday morning? The answer is yes? Then you must be a student. Well, you've come to the right place, because I am graduating soon, and I have a few tips for you guys. So just remember, priorities, expectations, and preparation, or PEP for short. So number 1, know your priorities. For example, my priorities, education, that piece of paper that says it's a degree that claims that I know what I'm doing. Friends, because it's always fun to suffer together. Wi-Fi, we all know Wi-Fi is needed. Mom, obviously, because that woman had to suffer raising this little devil. And coffee, because coffee gives me the strength to deal with people who test my patience, like my mother. She can frustrate me sometimes, but when that happens, I pray. Dear Lord, thank you for my mother. She is kind, humble, and strong. But if she asks me for the 800th time how to send an email, I will send her back to you sooner than expected. Know your priorities so that we can graduate. Number 2, manage your expectations. At this age, we're probably thinking, let's party, let's travel, let's have a good time. But in reality, lately I've been losing sleep, stressing about finals that are next week. Even the things you think you know could be wrong. For example, I am a foreigner. I'm from a country called Namibia, which is located in Southwest Africa. That's right, I'm from Africa. Definitely not what you were expecting. I can see the expressions on your faces. You know how people usually respond? But you're white. Aren't you a smart cookie? 50 points to Gryffindor. What you expect? This is the 21st century. There's white people in Africa, black people in Europe, and the Chinese are just everywhere. Some of you might even think that I look up to someone like Maleficent. Why not? She's gorgeous, cunning, and powerful. But in reality, I want to be like Sleeping Beauty. That girl got to sleep for 100 years. And then she woke to a kiss. Where's my 100-year nap? Where's my Prince Charming? Any volunteers? Just not the guy who admitted that he needed to poop earlier, not that one. So, manage your expectations. Why? So that we can graduate. Number 3, preparation. We all know how to prepare for class, but how do we prepare to be a student? Well, for starters, we gotta do Zumba, because our schools have hundreds of stairs and no elevator. You need to watch The Lion King, because if you're looking for cell reception, you gotta go, it's the circle of life. And the most important thing you need to be waterproof. Preferably with an Olympic gold medal in swimming and ancestors who are either a dolphin, fish, or a mermaid. Honestly, it's like the mayor is preparing us in case God decides to end the world in floods again. So, what do? Earthquake drill? Check. Preparation for Armageddon? Check. So, why do we need to prepare? So that we can students, 100 bonus points. Now, I will end with a dramatic bow, and you will end with applause. But let me give you one last shred of wisdom from a graduating student. Life is like a game of chess. I don't know how to play chess. Dramatic bow and applause.